There are some levels you'll never reach
namanye amazinga ngeke uze ufike kiwo
if there's cracks on your foundation.
uma ngabe kunoqhekeka
Where there's a crack,
uma la kuneqhekeka khona
there's a leak,
kuyawopha
there's a leakage.
kunokuwopha
And you must check wherever there's a crack,
fanele ubheke la kunoqhekeka
water
khona
goes to that foundation
amanzi aya kuleso siseko
and it's sucked by the crack
bese ke amunywa yilo qhekeka
and it becomes dry again.
bese kuyawoma
But where there's no crack,
Kodwa la
water is
kunoqhekeka
able to
khona,
sit for long.
amanzi ayakhona ukuhlala
But
isikhathi
where there's a
eside.
crack,
Kodwa la kunoqhekeka khona
the water goes into the crack.
amanzi ayala kuqhekeke khona
You must be careful what you do to your foundation.
fanele uqaphele ukuthi wenzani esisekelweni sakho
Don't put cracks,
ungafaki
because
uqhekeka
later there will be nothing to return to.
ngoba ekugcineni kuyobe
The crack will be busy growing
yoqhekeka kuzosoloko kukhula
until the whole foundation needs to be redone.
isekelo sonke ke kufanele ekugcineni ke bese siyawa sekumele siphinde sakhiwe kabusha
Meaning losing
kusho ukuthi
what God
ulahlekelwa
has given you
yiloko uNkulunkulu
because you
akunikeza
allowed cracks.
ngoba uvumele uqhekeke
Anything that comes to crack you down, not to
Noma
break
ngabe
you, to
yini
crack you.
ezokuphohloza,
There's a difference when I
ezokuqhekekisa.
break you down and when I crack you down.
kunomehluko uma ngikuphula noma ngikuqhekekisa
When I crack you down,
uma ngikuqhekekisa
it means I open. You see, this crack, it
Lo
didn't just
qhekeka lo.
become big.
akumane nje
It
kube
started small.
qala kancane
So there are people who crack you down.
kunabantu
They go,
abaqhekekisayo
"Kwah,"
bashaya kancane
they leave.
bese
The
bayahamba
crack will go.
bese ke kuzoqhekeka
So a lot of people are unable to see
abantu abaningi
people
abakhona
who are cracking them down.
ukubona abantu ababaqhekekisayo
And they are focusing on those who break them down.
babheke kulabo ababaphulayo
Those who come to break,
laba bese
they were
kuzophula
attracted by the crack.
bahehwe yilo qhekeka
They came because they saw a crack.
beze ngoba babone uqhekeka
Now there's a crack. Bah!
noqhekeka
It falls.
bese kuyawa
So it means who is dangerous there?
ubani oyingozi lapho
The one who brings cracks.
yilo uletha uqhekeka
It's not the one who breaks you down.
akusilo okuphulayo
The one who comes with cracks
lo oza nokuqhekeka
is the one who's dangerous.
nguye oyingozi
So those are the ones
labo yilabo
whom you must address as mountains. They must
ekufanele
disappear.
ubabize ngeyintaba kufanele banyamalala
They must disappear.
kufanele banyamalala
They crack you down. They
bakuqhekekisa
put you in troubles.
bakufake
They
ey'nkingeni
speak about you.
bakhuluma
They do
ngawe.
this to you.
bayenza
They are
izinto
not
kuwe.
breaking you down. They are trying to make cracks.
nedi nje bazama ukuletha ukuqhekeka
So that when you are cracked,
ukuze masewuqhekekile
those who must come with big hammers must come. Boom.
la kufanele beze namahamera amakhulu kufanele beze nje bashaye
But bona beze nento encane. Speak here. And when you speak here, uyasinyaza uthi into encane. Be careful of people abakezi izinto ezincane. Be careful of umuntu okwenza izinto ezincane bese uthi zincane. They are cracking you down.
baqhekekisa
They are opening a way
bavula indlela
for those who must come and break you.
bavulela labo ekufanele beze bazokuphula
Be careful. That's why me, I'm very vigilant.
ingakho mina ngihlakaniphe kakhulu ngiqaphile
Humble as a dove, wise as a snake.
ngithobile nje ijuba kodwa ngihlakaniphe
I'm able to
njengenyoka
look at you from a distance
ngiyakhona ukukubheka suke
and
ekudeni
see
bese
your
ngiyabona
purpose.
injengo yakho
And I'll be able to deal with you with wisdom without you being aware.
ngizokhona ukubhekana nobuhlakani
I'll
ngaphambi
even
kokuthi
show as if
wenzani.
I'm not aware of you, but I'm aware.
ngizokhombisa ngathi angikubona nginakile kodwa
God
nginakile
revealing this person,
uNkulunkulu ayambula ukuthi lo
I'm
muntu
aware, I
lo
will not tell you.
ngiyazi angeke ngize ngitshele
But I know you'll disappear.
kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi uzonyama
Evaporation will happen.
ukushabalala kuzoyenzeka
So it means I can allow you. I know that it's just a matter of time. It will disappear.
isikhathi nje
But what I will be careful of,
kodwa ngizoqapha
no muntu angangicrack it down. But sure fact, they will disappear.
kodwa nje ukuyikona kona ukuthi
They will
bazonyamalala
try you,
bazokuzama
and you will see them no more.
bese ngiyokusababona
You will see them no
uphinde
more.
ubabona
God says to Moses,
uNkulunkulu uthi kuMose
stand,
"Imi,
Iman, the enemies you see today.
lezi seni
He says you will see them no more.
ngiphinde nibabona
If you see them no more,
ma ngeke
it
uphinde
means
ubabona
kuyaphela ngabo completely. You are not going to meet the same enemy tomorrow.
angeke uphinde
It's a
uhlangane
different
naso
one.
kusasa sisesihlukile
It's a
kusasa
different.
sisesihlukile
one.
kusasa
Right? So people are focusing on those who are trying to break them down.
abantu babheke kulabo abazama ukubaphula
The most dangerous person
umuntu oyingozi
is the
kakhulu
one who cracks you.
yilo qhekekisayo
You see, it does not ne crack. No mongalethi. Ngoba liphele ini amandla line crack. So kunabantu abakuthi qhu net ukuthi qha. Bese laba babezana. That's the end. Be
Siphethe
careful of your foundation.
aphela
Put correct
isisekelo
stones,
sakho.
put correct
Faka
material
amatshe
so
uyibona
that no
nempahla
one can be
okuyiyona
able
khona.
to deal with you.
Ukuze kungazoba nomuntu
No one
ozokhona
must be
ukumelana
able to
nawe.
discern you.
Akunamuntu okufanele akhona
No one must be
ukuzwisisa.
able to win your heart.
Akunamuntu okufanele akhona ukuzuza
Your heart
inhliziyo
belongs
yakho.
to God alone.
Inhliziyo yakho ngeyankulunkulu kuphela.
No one must enter your heart. It
Akunamuntu
must be
okufanele
God
angene enhliziyweni
alone
yakho.
in your heart.
Kufanele kube uNkulunkulu kuphela enhliziyweni yakho.
No matter what they do,
Noma ngabe bangayenzani.
let them not enter your heart,
Mabangangeni enhliziyweni yakho.
or else they will crack it.
Angenjalo ke bazoyichekekisa.
Let's go.
Verse 8. Another message came to me from the Lord. 9. He said, Zerubbabel has laid the foundation of the temple,
Has laid the foundation of the temple.
Beka isisekelo setempeli.
and he will finish the building.
Babone aka lithi uzoqeda. Lithi akunanto ezomelana naye. Usayoyenza but uNkulunkulu uzoqeda. And akunamuntu ozomdestroy because ngim anointed to serve me.
Kuthi angikhonza ngisebenzele.
Let's go.
When this happens,
When this happened,
Lokhu kusayenzeka.
my people will know
Ah.
that it is I who sent you to them. 10. They are disappointed because so little progress is being made.
They are disappointed because so
Baphoxwa.
little progress has been made.
Baphoxwa impumelelo nje encane seyenzekalile.
Listen to this.
They are disappointed because so little progress is being made. But they will see Zerubbabel continuing to build the temple, and they will be glad.
Hey. They'll be disappointed by some things,
Bazophoxeka.
but they will see that the people is going to finish.
Kodwa bazobona ukuthi uZerubabel uzoqeda.
So disappointed, we won. But Zerubbabel is continuing.
Kodwa uZerubabel
We are
uyaqhubeka.
clear. Repeat it. There's some people
Nabanye abantu
ebama in disappointment.
ekuphoxekeni.
And that's how they lost their appointment
Yindlela balahlekelwe ngayo
with the
uqobo
man
kwabo.
whom God has anointed for them.
Nendoda uNkulunkulu abagcobele bona. Yobo.
Basala lapho. Ayeke basafika la kumele bafike khona. Yes. Where there's disappointment, there's no
Mangabe
more
ngaphoxeka,
appointment.
Akusekho ukuqokwa.
Because there's this appointment.
Ngoba kunokuphoxeka.
Let's go.
They,
So be careful who disappoints you.
Qaphela ukuthi uba nokuphoxayo.
It might be Zerubbabel,
Yenzeka kube uZerubabel.
whom the Lord has anointed
Le inkosi ayigcobile
to lay the last stone.
ukuthi abeke
And
ilitshe
everyone
lokugcina.
will shout,
Bese wonke umuntu
Grace,
uzobonga.
grace, beautiful,
Umusa,
beautiful.
umusa,
While
umusa.
you are disappointed, but
Ngakho
others
wena
saying,
usaphoxekile
wow, such a
ukuthi abanye
ministry.
bamangele ukuthi
Wow,
ukhonze
such a man of
isonto.
God. You
Kodwa
are
uNkulunkulu
stuck
kanje, wena umile
in disappointment.
ekuphoxekeni.
Your journey might not reach the end.
Uhambo lakho ngenzeka lingafiki ekugcineni.
You might find yourself being stopped by mountains.
Ungazithola uvinjwa yizintaba.
While Zerubbabel mountains are disappearing before
Ngapha
you.
kuZerubabeleni intaba
But with you, you are being
ngaphambi kwakho.
stopped.
Kodwa ngawe uyavinjwa.
Financial stagnation,
Umile ngokwezimali.
health problems,
Unenkinga yezempilo.
because you were stuck in disappointment.
Ngoba ume ekuphoxekeni.
Now, money na yakubalekela, yonke into yakubalekela. Ukuphi, ukucrack.
Sekuchekekeni.
Let's go.
they are disappointed because so little progress is
So
being,
little progress is being
Phumelele encane nje.
made.
it's being made.
Seyenzekile.
But they will see Zerubbabel continuing to build the temple.
They don't see disappointment. They
Ababona
see
ukuphoxeka.
Zerubbabel continuing to
Kodwa
build
babona
the temple.
uZerubabel aqhubeka akha itempeli.
But bona they are disappointed
Bona
because so
baphoxekile.
little progress has been made.
Ngempumelelo encane nje seyenzekile.
But they will see Zerubbabel continuing to build the temple, and they will be glad.
They will be glad.
Bezothokoza.
Okay, take it with Amplified Classic from verse 8. Ngifuna la ethi they will all shout grace, grace, grace. Beauty is grace.
Ubuhle umusa.
Beauty is
Ubuhle umusa.
there are people you are able to look at them and say,
Kunabantu
shame,
akhona ukubabheka.
Aramaskamsel. Logo wama 2023. Shame, you are not gonna make it. You're gonna lisonto. Because you are stuck.
ngoba umile.
No matter how we lay hands on you, the
Noma
anointing
ngabe
cannot
singabeka izandla
penetrate you.
kangakanani, uqobo likhona
You
ukungena.
are stuck.
Ume ndawonye.
Read. Yeah, take it from 7.
Verse 7 with Amplified Classic. For who are you, O great mountain of
have-
human obstacles?
Thank you. These are people.
Abantu
Who are
laba.
you, all great
Ngubani wena ntaba?
human obstacles?
Intaba enkulu
So
yengcinamba
it's not
zabantu.
intaba physical, abantu. Abeza kuwe balingana nezintaba. But siyomvimba, siyomstopa. He will not make it. He
Ngeke
will not
zaphumelela.
siyomstopa. There are people who are trying to stop things that are unstoppable.
Kunabantu abazama ukuvimba izinto ezingavimbeki.
You can't stop it. It's
Ngeke
unstoppable.
uzuvimba kuvimbeki.
They're busy trying to stop.
Solo bazama ukuvimba.
And Bob is not disappointed. Because
Ayaphoxa.
the abafuna ukuyibona yenzeki. Nabantu abakwatisa ukuthi kusasa bakubona uvukile. Nabantu abakwatisa ukuthi namuhla ngime pulpit ngiyashumayela. Nabantu abakwatisa ukuthi kusasa futhi bangibona. Sunday bangibona lokho bayakwata. Because they thought uzovuka ugula. But they see you
Kodwa bayakubona.
becoming worse than yesterday.
Udlulela kwayizolo.
Worse. I remember
Yandlulele.
there's a time I was given poison
Nesikhathi la nganikezwa khona ushefu.
to deal with me that I should die.
Ubhekane nami ukuthi ngife.
But every day they saw me preaching,
Kodwa
more
usuku
power.
nosuku, solo babona
Poison could
ushukela
not
amandla.
manifest in my body.
Ushefu azange khona ukuzibonakalisa
No
emzimbeni.
poison was able to take me to hospital.
Akunashefu longakhona ukunyisa esibhedlela.
It took me to the pulpit.
Kodwa limikise pulpit.
It took me to the pulpit, not to hospital.
Hayi esibhedlela.
Poison, but I never went to the
Shefu kodwa
hospital.
ngikase ngaye esibhedlela.
I came to the pulpit,
Ngise pulpit.
my foundation.
Isisekelo sami. Wow.
My foundation.
Isisekelo sami.
And they were very disappointed.
Bebaphoxekile kakhulu.
Akafanga. Njani? Musisolo simnika idombolo. Where are they? They've disappeared.
Bakuphi namhlanje banyamalele.
Oh, who are you, you great mountain of human
Ungubani wena
obstacle?
ntaba yengcinamba zabantu.